Right hand and repeat after me. I state your name and address. Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws and legal orders. And decrees promulgated by duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose upon this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that all times and places I adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the electronics engineering profession in the Philippines. And I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized electronic technician practitioner. So help me God. Palakpakan po natin ang mga electronic technician's license by PRC. Congratulations everyone. Please take your seats.